TypeScript. What is TypeScript and difference between JavaScript and TypeScript and how to install it? So let's start with what is TypeScript. TypeScript it is a superset of JavaScript. By superset we means that it is an extension that has been introduced with new features and to expand the capabilities of JavaScript. TypeScript can be executed anywhere where JavaScript is supported, like in browser or in Node.js too. TypeScript provides all the features and functionalities of JavaScript but with some additional features. TypeScript code has to be compiled into JavaScript code because browser only understand JavaScript. TypeScript was created by Microsoft and it is an open source. So let's see the difference between the JavaScript code and the TypeScript code. In JavaScript, when we define a variable, it is not necessary to define its type. For example, here we have a variable name, it is a string, then it is a number. Similarly, it is a boolean value and then it is an object. In JavaScript, it is not necessary to define the type of an variable, but in TypeScript, it is very much necessary to define the type of a variable which we are using. So let's understand with the TypeScript example. Here we have two variables. One is const greeting, which has a type of string hello, and the next is const number. It is an array and it has been given a type of number, which is 1, 2, and 3. Now, if by any chance, if in greeting we write here a number, but we have defined its type as a string, TypeScript compiler will throw us an error. Here we have const number, which is a number, and definitely we wrote three numbers here. But by mistake, if we write here a boolean value or a string, TypeScript compiler will throw us an error. For example, here that greeting has to be a string. It has to be a type of string. Then if we write mistakenly it as a number, and here if we input a string here, you can see we have got the error in compiler as type number is not assignable to type string. That means once we have declared the type of a variable, we cannot change its type. I hope this clears the difference between the JavaScript code and the TypeScript code. In JavaScript, it is not necessary to define the type of a variable. In TypeScript, it is very much necessary. Now, because of all this, TypeScript saves a lot of time from debugging and helps us write consistent code. Moreover, TypeScript has provided additional features too, which we said in the first slide. It has interfaces, type aliases, abstract classes, function overloading, tuples, generics, etc. There are many more. Now, let's see how do we install TypeScript on our system. As we have said earlier that TypeScript code has to be compiled into JavaScript code. So to compile it, we need a compiler. And for that, we have to install TypeScript on our system. Here we have two commands. To install TypeScript, we have npm install -g TypeScript. -g flag means globally. We are installing TypeScript globally in our system. And to check the TypeScript version, we have another command that is tsc-v. It is for version. Now to install TypeScript, you can do it in any terminal or in command prompt or in Windows shell on your Windows. Here I'm using command prompt. So let's open our command prompt. Here I have my command prompt. So let's install TypeScript. npm install -g globally TypeScript. And it's installing. Okay, changed one package, audited two package in 4 seconds and found zero vulnerabilities. Now let's see our TypeScript version. So for it, we have the command tsc-v. And here I am using the version of 4.9.3. I hope this clears what is TypeScript and the difference between JavaScript code and the TypeScript code. So this is it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.